amabhodle kuyawujwetha bayanane kobetha nene kobetha ngu-666 kobetha amabhodle kuyawujwetha bayanane kobetha nyenye kobetha ngu-666 kobetha amabhodle kuyawujwetha bayanane kobetha
i-gender based violence.
Okay.
Ngithanze ukuthi laphana bayafundisa ukuthi umntwana akahlukunyetwa, umuntu wesifazane akahlukunyetwa, uphathwa kahle kanye nabo babe baphathwa kahle nabo abahlukunyetwa. Kule big hawk leto bikhona ngithanzile tiningi into okudlala i-jumping castle, tiningi into abantwana ama-activities abantwana ne-5 kilometer uyagijima, ne-21 ne-12 kilometers kuningi nje lengikuthanze ngako ngiloko ngiyeta nani into sijoyina into odivela lobunanzi okutobe bukhona.
Sanibonani babukele emakhaya. Welcome to another episode of Low Folk Workers podcast. Today sihamba solanza booth wethu Cedric Kwagathabethe atositshela kabanzi nge-Low Folk Workers, asitshele ukuthi uthanzeni ka-Low Folk Workers. So wena lapho hlala ulinze swali somlanzi. Ngiyavuka.
Kobetha amabhodle kuyawujwetha bayanane kobetha nene kobetha ngu-666 kobetha amabhodle kuyawujwetha bayanane kobetha nyenye kobetha ngu-666 kobetha amabhodle.
Okay babukele ezengishilo sengida komlanza yena booth wethu Cedric Kwagathabethe. Unjani booth?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila. Ngicela utshele babukeli ngakuthi ngwebani.
Oh, mina igama lami ngimCedric Sibonga Kwagathabethe, ngihlala enzaweni yasePinari emoyeni Moyo.
Okay. Ngabe booth Cedric ukujoyine nini i-Low Folk Workers?
Oh, ilo fellow workers ngijoyine last year.
Okay.
February.
Okay.
Ilo fellow workers ngeva ngamama.
Alright.
Kuze kunelo fellow workers.
Okay. So kukonke lama walk la khona since utile ku walk lelo Folk Workers, ngiphi lo ngathi uyithanzile and uyithanzeleni?
Imakhonjo ngiyithanzile. Ngiyithanzele ukuthi kuyagijinywa khanjwa kahle, ngiyithanza ngalesikhuphukelo and beyilona beyimnazi yona besikhona kugudeleka sagijima. Ngiyele ngijabulisile.
Okay, as ubonile ukuthi sihambile saya ku cross border, even though you were not there but ukhonile kubona tithombo, uchazwe yini, wathanza ini, yilo ngathi bangakungeta khona lapha?
Oh, lengichaze ngako laphana ukuthi lento bahambile kahle, ngibonile tithombe banishutha nihamba le walk ebeyimpumelelo kakhulu, ngibonile benihlangene nibambene nijabulile nomuhle emsebenzini la wendako Mr Mashaba ehlanganisa abantu bathanzane. Uhlala yisho lento leyo sengakungeta ukuthi lapha bangangeta maybe indzawo tokulala or tipontshi ukuze basave imali kuze ukuthi nalo ufuna kuye akhone kulokubhalisa early naye
Okay. Shuthi ke na njengoba inyalo phambili kuta i-big walk le kutoba ngithi 4 October le faka abantu bethu ba sponsors ba Department of Sports, ubukele ini kuye ezisatha?
Le laphana ngiyithanzile sengirejistile ngiyongena kuyo. Into le ngiyithanzile ukuthi laphana yitse ikahle futhi kuyawokhwa kahle. Into le ngiyithanze ngayo.
Yes, azubonile ukuthi kutoba nema activities ma aerobics, kutoba netinzawo tebantwana tokudlala, ungasho ukuthi ungabatshelani bantu ukuthi uba encourage ukuthi bayijoine ba register batakhona ukujoin?
Kule big hawk leto bikhona ngithanzile tiningi into okudlala i-jumping castle, tiningi into abantwana ama-activities abantwana ne-5 kilometer uyagijima, ne-21 ne-12 kilometers kuningi nje lengikuthanze ngako ngiloko ngiyeta nani into sijoyina into odivela lobunanzi okutobe bukhona.
Okay, siyabonga futhi Cedric. Azubona ukuthi siku Heritage Month, namuhla besivunulile sibahle, yini lo yithanzile ngokuje yanamuhla?
Ngokuje yanamuhla ukuthi bebagcokile babanhle ngemvunulo ngema culture wabo, ngithanze ukuthi namhla besingagijimi besihokha kahle sonke kahle sijabulile alabe livalile.
ezubona ukuthi futhi namuhla bekudliwe bekuma-cry nice nje. Ngikuphi ukudla longathi ukuthanzile uthi yabona lokhu noma bengingakhona bengingakupheka?
Oh, ukudla lengikuthanzile nestambu bese namabhontshisi namancina senemangcondo nekhabishi embhido ukudla lengikuthanzile kakhulu.
Oh, usho ukuthi ungakupheka?
Ngingakupheka.
Hayi wena. Okay, siyabonga Budwethu. Okay babukeli, ezinivile ukuthi uCedric usitshelile kabanzi ngaye, wasitshela ukuthi uthanzeni kulama walk lesivile ku nalele seta. So wena ungahlulwa yini ukusijoina? Okay, Cedric, as you know ukuthi si adopted a home yebantwana lana kalo Fold Walkers, ungasitshela ukuthi is it a good thing or a bad thing? Wayacabanga ukuthi into lehle yini nje lekujabulisako?
Oh, into lengijabulisako, into lenhle lengithanzile la ekhaya ukuthi niyakhona kubasita labantwana abede maybe ticathula tesikolo mabana something niyabasita nimndeni nibambene. Into lengithanze kakhulu ngileyo ukuthi nabo bakhona kubona ukuthi oh uphilwa sona umusa nabo bakhona kuba na something nabo mabakhulile bakhona ekhamba kule ndlela le. Into lengijabulisa ngiloko bambene noma lomunye anganako endlini ukudla nakhona kumthengela ikroza nimixele. Ngibona ngathi kuhle kakhulu umsebenzi lo.
Okay but uzubona ukuthi kunema walk lahlukahlukene, kunema gender based violence, cancer awareness, color walk, njengoba namuhla celebrate heritage. Ngiphi longathi uyithanzile?
Gender based violence.
Okay.
Ngithanze ukuthi lapha bayafundisa ukuthi umntwana akahlukunyetwa, umuntu wesifazane akahlukunyetwa, uphathwa kahle kanye nabo babe baphathwa kahle nabo bahlukunyetwa.
Okay, as wadi-ke ukuthi la kalo Fold Walkers sine library yebantwana ka 2.5 kilometers. Ungasho ukuthi uthanzeni yiduduta ngani? Sicela ubatshele balona ukuthi ngithanza.
Oh, ngithanza ngalele ngithanza ngokuthi bantwana lapha niyabashiya kahle nemabhuku abafunza kude istory letiningi ngiko umntwana yakhona lokufunza lapha kuyafundiswa bahlala kahle ukuthi nababuya niyabathatha futhi. Amen.
Alright, malo Fold Walkers nabanye babukeli, siyabonga ukubukela i-podcast yethu today. Ngakhohlwa, don't promise, commit.
Hashtag Mpumalanga's finest walking team. This is Low Fold Walkers podcast, and of course, this is your host Tobeka Hadebe signing out. Now we'll be seeing you guys this coming Saturday. It is happening. The big walk is finally here. Saturday morning, 5 a.m. until 1 o'clock. We are at Valencia Sports Ground. We're gonna be having the walk aerobics. Kids will be having the jumping castle. Make sure ufika early ubambaskati so that you get your goodie bag. Remember, we said the first 500 bathola goodie bag, so don't be late ukuze singaxabani. Now we're gonna be doing 6, 12, 17 and 21 kilometers. Iba ready. The registrations are still open. Go to the Low Fold Walkers social media platforms. You will get to the form there where you can register for this big walk. Mina nawe asibonane khona. Bye.